Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging, but this time this package comes from AliExpress. So let's find out what is in the bag. This is my long awaited order. I don't remember what day. I ordered it sometime towards the end of January, I believe. Let me get it out of its plastic and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Let me put those scissors away. I don't know where my orange ones are at this point. Whoops, and then I almost knocked the whole thing of scissors over. We are doing well. This is called Dragon Boat Festival. And it is 75 by 129. I actually thought that it was going to be a spring kit, but it's not packaged in a box, so yeah. But it has all the dragon boats. It has lots of buildings with lots of people. People down here. There's some gathered over here. We got a few pink flowers. So yeah, I just really like this, and I think it was only like $22 maybe, something like that. I mean, I know it was a nominal kind of amount. So yeah, let's see what this has got going on here. So we have a booklet. It has a total of, I'm trying, guys, 58 colors in it in full stitch, and then you have 4 colors in back stitch. See if there's anything else. This is all one folded thing. Let me get that down so I can get maneuver around here. I was looking to see how big it was. 282 wide by 513 high, but no, there's only back stitch and cross stitch, so it's all divided down into single pictures. There's no diagram that I'm seeing, so you'll have to look at the grid on the side and match it up. So let's see, that's 10 and 10, so this is the top. It is a partial, but this is very well printed, just kind of hard to maneuver around. I always thought I'd cut these apart, but then I kind of stopped myself. And you can see it has nominal back stitching. It's just around a few of the boats, maybe their oars. So nothing too fancy-dancy. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black, I'm not seeing anything I know. No 939, no 823. We have 3371, which is a dark brown, and I'm not sure what they're going to be using for a white, so we'll just have to play that all by ear. But yeah, now the what do you call it? The symbols will not be the same on the canvas as they are right here, I don't think. We will look when we get that far. Let's take a look at the threads. Maybe. Oh my goodness. And it is that dark brown canvas, so I'm interested to see how well it is printed, but we're going to do the colors first. It does come with a great big package of extra threads, and this is cotton. It's not Egyptian cotton, it's just regular cotton, and it's not silk. So I think you might have had a choice if you wanted cotton or silk, but I chose cotton. Hang on, everybody's all mooshed together. They've been together for a hot moment since they left China. But yeah, we have some brick red, And there's not a whole lot of 310 black. I'm not seeing any 310 black in the extra one. Sometimes they'll put 1 or 2. So maybe that's just for accent. Very nice colors. Kind of antique looking. Yep, 58 colors it says here. Lots of greens, golds, browns, rust, kind of a blue. 3 shades. It's kind of a, what is that word? Olive green here, and then it goes to a darker green. But very nice. I like the antique look of it. And I think they'll be great on this canvas. Just gonna fold that all together. Let me put that over there so it doesn't fall off. It's gonna need its own bag. Not a lot of thread since it's only like 150. It's not like those big huge ones where I had to have a bag for the canvas and a bag for threads. It doesn't look like that at all. So let's take a look at the canvas. Quite wide. Oh, we do have a tool kit. We have 2 needles here, thimble, a bobbin, and a needle threader. Oh, three needles. There's one up here. So I may find, not, one attached, but I'm not seeing it. Hang on. Got to move some stuff around. Very stiff canvas. It'll need to be crunched a bit. Let me back up a bit. Oh, and of course I got it upside down. All right. Seriously, folks. Everybody get where you need to be, kids. But I'm glad it's a partial, and that makes it so much easier. And oh, the symbols are very dark. It does come on the same, I don't know. It has that same thing as Spring Company, so I'm not sure. I just assumed that all of those were Spring Company. This reminds me of the other 2 that I got 3 years ago, maybe. From, I believe it was Amazon. It could have been like Biggest Craft or VIP 100 years ago. But the symbols are very darkly printed, unlike that other one. I just want to hold it as still as I possibly can so you can see it. But very easy to see. And yes, the symbols are different. I'm looking at them right now. And it does, hold please, go down the side. Now this edge right here is not serged. Oh, here's my other 2 needles. I knew they'd be somewhere. Because it's really unlikely that you get just 3. Well, I'm just going to put it, hopefully, into this plastic. Then they won't go anywhere. I'll mess with that later. Oh my God. No, I haven't changed that part yet. But very nice. Very well done. But I can't figure out. They put serging, looking on the bottom, all the way around except for this edge. Now this edge right here is very rough. It is a salvage edge. So I may take something and cover that up with it. I'm not real sure at this point. So, and it's real close to the edge. Like where the DMC numbers are. Not that you have to see the DMC numbers. You just go by the symbol and the thread card number. But yeah, I can't believe how rough that is. That's terrible. I don't know. Maybe that's why it was so cheap. Because none of the rest of them look like that. But they were, what do you call it? Spring Company. I'm seeing a little bit of confetti, but not too much. I have no idea where I'm going to start this at all, but very nicely printed. I just wish that edge wasn't like that. It makes you not want to hang on to it. So I'll have to get a little something to put over the edge of that. I don't, because I don't even think that, what is it? The blanket stitch is going to cover that. It'd still be a problem. And it is kind of tough. So, very nice. I don't think I can, let me see if I can stretch it out. I don't think I can measure this, no. That is not going to happen, but you can see the trees there, the little fence that comes across here. Now, hopefully the people will show up and it'll be great. So, I'm not sure where I'm going to even, oops, my bad, hold please. Yeah, I'm not sure where I'm going to, jeez Louise, start this. It does, oh my goodness gracious. The edge just catches on everything. It does have the Chinese symbol. Now that'll be, this is cross stitch all the outside, but on the inside it's all back stitched. So we'll have to see. I've never done one of those symbols like that, so I'm not sure how well that comes out. But you know, you've got it in the pattern so you can see where you have to be. So yeah, I'm kind of confused. I thought it would be a spring tip, but it does not look too confettied, so I'm happy about that. I think I'll start on this side instead of the rough side. Yeah. Very nice. I like the pattern. And I think all the boats were kind of cool. We are just tipping things left to right. Holy cow. And I don't know if I got my arms got it in me to crunch that whole canvas. I don't think that's going to be happening. I'll just take a section. But I don't think there'll be a problem crunching it. But we'll see. We'll see. But that is all that I got from AliExpress. So I will be starting that this afternoon, 1 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, USA. So do join me then. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.